Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making peanut butter balls. This was filmed last year. It's going to be a little bit before we're able to make any candy or even want to eat it right now. So I'm glad we have the footage from last year. You'll need 2 sticks of butter, 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1 pound of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 12-ounce jar of peanut butter. You'll also need 1 bag of chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or Crisco, whatever you have. First, you'll melt your butter and put it in a mixer, or you can just mix this by hand if you want. Add in your graham cracker crumbs. Mix that till it's well blended. Then add in your peanut butter. That is 1 12-ounce jar of peanut butter, or 1.5 cups. Then you just mix it up real well. Then add in your 1 pound of powdered sugar. Then you mix that until it's well blended. Here I'm scraping down the sides of the bowl so it gets mixed up good. And then just mix it up real well. I'm making a double batch of this, so the recipe will be down in the description. Next, add the vanilla and mix that till it's blended in. And this is what it should look like. Then you just take the mixture and roll it into little balls. Next, you'll melt your chocolate. You can do this in the microwave or a double boiler, and then add your coconut oil to it. Then just dip your peanut butter balls down in the chocolate and then lay them on the parchment paper. I'll add chocolate on top in just a minute. And here I've used some white chocolate too, or you don't even have to put chocolate on these. They're good just like they are. And there you have it, peanut butter balls. This is one of our favorites for Christmas time. You just want to put these in the refrigerator and let them set up. I want to thank y'all for watching, and thank you for the well wishes. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.